Here is a super sanitary conveyor from Nelson. You can see a couple things, features, center drive, tubes turned on a diagonal. And we're gonna go ahead and pull it apart so you can get an idea of what it is. That's an interlocks thermal drive belt with some flighting. This is for a topping, but let's go ahead and pull that thing apart. So each of these rails come off, and you can actually pull them off there as well. You can see how they're attached here. So they can come completely off, or we can just fold them over. Now what you've done is you expose the belt.
Belt?
Yep, go ahead and pull the belt. So again, you can see here is the splice. Belt comes down. You can see the rails. The lag roll. There with the shaft. Centering hold down pin. And the belt rails. And off you go. So now in about 2 minutes the entire conveyor is exposed. You can see you can fully wash the unit down. All the parts and pieces can go into a washing machine, or you can do a COP tank, or however you chose to do that. But now you can see internal here, you have full access to everything. And then the reassembly is just exactly the opposite back. A couple of minutes after a full wash down. And you're good to go.